Hi, hello, welcome back. So today we will be seeing about QYModifier, which we use frequently in case of anesthesia while coding CPT anesthesia. We will be using this QYModifier. So first of all, you have to understand what is the definition of QYModifier. The definition is medical direction of one cRNA by an anesthesiologist. Here the keyword is one cRNA that you have to underline. Okay. So if the anesthesiologist is medically directing one cRNA, you have to give QYModifier. And then you have to see like the QYModifier is used when an anesthesiologist medically directs the administration of anesthesia by one certified registered nurse anesthetist. This modifier signifies that the anesthesiologist was present and provided medical direction to a specific cRNA during the anesthesia service. And then applying of this QYModifier, add the QYModifier to the CPT code since the cRNA is under the medical direction of one anesthesiologist. And here I have given one code. You can check that example also. And then you have to see what are the common mistakes. Incorrect usage, we should not confuse this with a QK modifier or QZ modifier. And when we need to apply, you should not forget that here we should give this assign properly, like read the scenario properly and give the modifiers carefully. And here I have given a coding example. You can read those examples carefully and see how the modifier is being applied to that particular question. So I have added nearly 2 or 3 examples here so that it will really help you to understand how it is being applicable. So if you have a proper understanding about these modifiers, it will help you to score better as well as to have a proper knowledge about this modifiers. Okay, so that's all about. So please go through the examples and understand how it is being implemented here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can put it as a comment or you can mail me also. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.